Hi guys, good morning. I'm Brian. So I'm a network marketing professional here in JC Premier. So what are we going to talk about today? So I'm really glad that you're considering to explore JC Premier Business International. I'm going to show you a simple system that can generate income for you and your family. At least how much? 1.3 million pesos per month. So there are just 4 simple steps on how you can achieve this kind of income. So number 1, you just have to register here in JC Premier. So what is JC Premier? JC Premier is a MLM company running for 2 years already. This company already have offices all over the Philippines. And meron na rin po tayo sa ibang bansa like Dubai, Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan na mapapadali po yung pag-network natin. And marami po tayong bubuksan sa mga following years. Okay po. So what's the foundation of JC Premier? JC Premier is the sister company of JC Worldwide Franchise. So what is JC Worldwide Franchise? JC Worldwide is a 10 years franchising company. So who are the owners of these companies? So first of all is President CEO Mr. Jonathan So and Vice President CFO Mr. Carlito Macadangdang. So ano-ano ba yung mga concept ng franchising nila? Unang-una is we have the Siomai King, then Siopaw the King, and marami pa po tayong ibang concept. So main office ni JC Premier ay sa Green Hills. And we also have offices again all over the Philippines. So ngayon si JC Worldwide naman, ang office niya ay sa Makati. So the owners own these 2 buildings in Makati located in Batangas Street. So ngayon, we have our own commissary. Ang maganda kasi sa atin, tayo mismo gumawa ng siomai siopaw natin na from raw pa mismo hanggang finished product. So ibig sabihin, lahat talaga galing sa mga may-ari. So we have our own siopaw, siomai, and also sauce machine. And mismong food cart, tayo rin po gumagawa. So lahat talaga tayo. And ang maganda pa is na-feature na rin tayo sa Entrepreneur Magazine. So these are the franchisee success stories. And we also have 900 branches nationwide. And we have a lot of celebrity partners. Why? The owners invested a lot of money with these celebrities because they want us to be proud. Kasi po itong mga celebrity na kasama po mismo natin sa paggawa ng negosyo. So ano lang po ibig sabihin nun? Ito po mga artistan po, ang puhunan lang po nila is mukha and pangalan. Tama? So ang maganda is gano'n kaganda si JC Premier para po sumama sila. And ang main po na lagi natin nakakasama dito is yung kilalang-kilala na si Mr. and Mrs. Julius Babaw. So again, ang maganda po is nakakasama natin sila sa paggawa ng negosyo na to. So how much is the franchise? It starts at 149,888 pesos. If you want to know more about the franchise, please contact the number below. So bakit po ba may JC Premier? Because by doing JC Premier, you can get the franchise for free. At bukod po doon, libre din po dito ang kotse and travel. So ngayon po, again, JC Premier is involved with health and beauty products. At ang good news po ulit dyan is yung health and beauty products po natin ay nasa Watson. So ibig sabihin po, these are high quality products. If you want to know more about our products, please contact the number below. So how much are we talking about? We're talking about the 33,648 package. So ano pang kasama sa package to? Number 1 is magkakaroon ka ng 40,000 worth of products. Ngayon, ikaw mamimili sa mga packages na gusto mo. Then number 2, you will have 24,000 worth of buy one take one. Tayo lang po ang buy one take one na produkto po sa buong Pilipinas na networking company. And number 3, magkakaroon ka ng 50,000 accident insurance. And number 4, you will have 40,000 worth of down payment po sa mga mapipili mo na food cart franchise. At ang good news po dito is nakalock in po sa iyo for 2 years. So that's the number 1 step. You just have to register here in JC Premier. Then number 2, you just have to stop and study. Why? Because many people fail in this kind of business kasi hindi po nila inaaral. Ang good news po dito is hindi ka mahihirapan. Why? Kasi po, here in JC Premier, we want you to succeed. Kung ma-online ka po, bibigay po namin sa iyo online copies. If hindi naman, soft and hard copy. Ang good news po dito, hindi mo taon na-aralin. Hindi ka na rin po magta-trial and error. Why? Because we already have a proven and effective system. Okay? So ngayon, lahat ng trainings po ibibigay namin sa iyo. And it's just a few days. After this, you can go with your upline or your mentor or kung sino man nag-sponsor sa iyo para gawin na yung business. And number 3, you have to identify your core. 4 na tao na gusto ng dagdag sa buhay. And I know and I'm sure lahat ng tao gusto po ng dagdag. So ngayon, 4 na tao lang, kung relative mo ba to, friends, kakilala, or whatsoever, kung sino man, basta 4 na tao. Okay, ngayon, these 4 people, kung gusto kumita ng at least 1.3 million pesos per month.
So yung iba nga sinasabi sa akin for 1.3 million pesos, 1 day, 2 days, kompleto na nila. 1 week, 2 weeks, kompleto na. Pero let's just say for projection, 1 month. So that's just 1 person a week for 4 weeks. And number 4, you just have to consume, sell, or share products worth 1,000 pesos every month. Why? Yung mga products here in JC Premier is dati mo nang binibili outside. What I'm trying to say is dito mo na lang bilhin. Kasi sa labas, they don't offer commissions and bonuses. Unlike here in JC Premier, we offer commissions and bonuses. Plus, buy one, take one po lahat ng produkto. So, napakalaking tipid po nun para sa inyo. At ang good news po dito is all you have to do is buy products worth 1,000 lang every month. We are calling that profitable consumerism. We're making a lot of money just by teaching other people how to consume our products. So, ganun lang po kadali si JC Premier. Again, number 1, register. Number 2, stop and study. Number 3, identify your 4. And number 4, consume, sell, or share products worth 1,000 pesos lang every month. So, ngayon, paano ba kumikita sa JC Premier? So, I'm going to show you a system that's called the 4x4 system. This system is very simple. Because simplicity breeds duplicability. Itong sistema na to ang mag-generate income for you and your family. Okay, so paano po ba siya? First month, so 4. So itong 4 na to, all you have to do is pakilala or ipanood tong video na to. And pag itong 4 na to bumili ng package natin, ang income mo is 18,000 pesos on your first month. Ito po dagdag. Again, dagdag po 18,000 1 month. So, what's next? Second month, yung ginawa mo, gagawin lang din ng 4 mo. Okay? So ngayon, magiging 16 na sila. Then, how much is your income? 72,000 pesos for 1 month. Again, dagdag po. Okay? At ang good news po dito, yung 4 po na shiniran mo ng video na to is now earning 18,000 pesos. Okay po? So, everybody is earning hanggang po dire-diretso yung system. Then, on your third month, yung 4, magre-refer ng 4, power of 4. Yung 16, magiging 64. Magkano income mo? Congratulations, you're now on your 6 digits income. 288,000 pesos for 1 month. Again po, dagdag for you and your family. Ang good news na naman po dito, yung 4 mo is now earning 72,000 pesos. And yung 4 ng 4 mo ay kumikita ng 18,000. So again, everybody is earning as long as dire-diretso, as long as lahat ginagawa. Then, on your 4th month, magiging 256 na sila. So before I proceed, tanong ko lang, yung 256 po ba na tao is kilala mo pa? Hindi na. Ilan lang kakilala mo? Yung 4 na nauna. Yun lang po yung kakilala mo. Kasi maraming tao akala dito kay network marketing is napakarami mo kailangang ipasok or i-sponsor. Hindi po ganun. Ito po yung sinasabi naming system. Na as long as dire-diretso yung sistema, dire-diretso din pinagkita, everybody is earning. So, again, on your 4th month, 256 na sila, magkano na income mo, congratulations. You're now a millionaire. Why? Dito po ang income mo isang buwan is 1.1 million pesos. Again, for you and your family, dagdag po. So, ang good news, again, is yung 4 mo is now earning 288,000 pesos per month. So, ngayon, diretso tayo sa 5th month. They're now 1,024. So, ang income mo nila is 1.3 million. Okay? So, ngayon, ito yung safety net ng company natin or dito sa system nito. This system is called the binary system. So, again, 6th month, 1.3 million ka ulit. And there are 5 more ways to earn. Okay? And again, ito yung pinakita ko, isa lang po. I think 1.3 million pesos per month na dagdag for you and your family is enough. If you want to know more, please contact the number below. And baka itanong mo kasi sa akin, paano kung hindi ka maka-4? Paano kung isa lang? Okay, ang good news po is meron tayong leadership commission here in JC Premier. So let's say for example, ikaw ang nakuha mo, for example si friend 1. Then si friend 1, siya yung kumumpleto ng 4 niya. Sa kanya nangyari, yung table na pinakita ko kanina. So, si friend 1, let's say, for example, kumita siya ng 2.5 million pesos. Ang good news, pag nasa ibang company or sa ibang company, is wala ka ng chance po kumita. Ang good news here in JC Premier is meron. 20% ng total na kinita ng in-sponsor mo ay kikitain mo. Okay, so paano yun? Kung kumita siya ng 2.5 million pesos, magkano 20% nun? That's 500,000 pesos. Again, para po sa iyo. Paano pa kung makompleto may 4 mo? So again, marami pang ways to earn. Itong pinapakita ko, isa or dalawa pa lang na mga ways to earn po natin. So, paano ba yung sinasabi kong libre? Like kanina, sabi ko, pwede natin kunin yun ng libre yung food cart. So, ngayon, if you reach a certain level, okay, that's 88 sales match, makukuha mo siya ng libre. Okay, then ngayon, para naman yung car and travel. Unang-una sa car is 50 sales match lang, libre na agad Toyota Vios or Ford Fiesta, sa'yo na po yun. And in 2 years time, napakadami na nabigyan ng libreng kotse ni JC Premier. Okay po? And then ngayon, para naman si Travel, unang-una 20 sales match lang, Hong Kong na, Hong Kong, Macau. Okay, all expense paid. After Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, after Taiwan, Singapore, then after Singapore, Dubai. Ang good news po, pupunta tayo ng Dubai right now, hindi po para magtrabaho, para po magbakasyon. Okay po? So ngayon, in 2 years time din po, napakarami na po nabigyan ng libreng travel po ni JC Premier. Franchise of food cart, libreng kotse, and libreng travel, lahat po binibigyan JC Premier ng libre. Okay po? So ngayon po, napakaganda po ni JC Premier. Tama po ba? So ngayon, ito lang po siya. Siguro, I will leave you with this one. So ngayon, 33,648 mo is, first of all, ilagay mo yan sa bank. Is wala namang mangyayari dyan eh. Tama? What I'm trying to say is this one. Dito mo ipasok yung 33,000 mo. Unang-una is may kapalit kang products. Pag nabenta mo yun, kikita ka na kagad eh. Tama? Eh ngayon, paano kung kitain mo pa yung 1.3 million? Tingnan mo hindi na lang 1.3 million kitain mo. 10% na lang nun. That's 130,000 pesos na dagdag for you in your family. Tingnan mo, kahit nga hindi na yun eh. 1% na lang ng 1.3 million, 13,000 pesos kitain mo buwan-buwan. Nadagdag. Pwede pa rin. Why? Importante may nadadagdag. Tama? So again, that's all for now. So again, this is Brian So. If you want to know more about JC Premier, please contact the number below. And mas maganda, mag-set ka na ng appointment. Right now, tawagan mo na kagad yung nagpakita ng video na to sa'yo and mag-usap na kagad kayo. Okay? So again, this is Brian So saying welcome to the good life.